What's up, fam? It's your boy DKG72, and I'm back with another video. I know I haven't been posting for the past few days. Basically, I've just been swamped with a bunch of work that had to get done, and it was client work, so I really don't feel comfortable showing client work. I only show stuff that I create internally because it's mine, and then I feel better about it. But I don't show off too much work for clients unless I've been given previous permission, and I was not, so didn't feel that was cool. Kind of had to tone down on the videos for a minute and kind of just hit the grind mode and just grind it on out. That being said, an interesting thing happened this weekend. This weekend, as you all know, Swizz Beatz and Timberland, they've got this versus series, and this weekend was Erykah Badu versus Jill Scott. And of course, 700,000 people were in there. I know I was in there for a while. It was live. It was dope. The vibes was just the vibes. But anyway, I wasn't in when the next battle was announced, and that next battle is Nelly versus Ludacris, which of course is going to be fun for me because I got friends and family in ATL, and of course born and raised here in St. Louis. So I thought, wouldn't it be cool if I created a nice Nelly versus Ludacris Capcom inspired versus screen? So that's what I did. Check it out. It's me working primarily in Illustrator and Photoshop, and I think it came out dope. But you guys let me know in the comments. All right, let's go. Hey guys, Editor Dave here, and I didn't realize how much of this was going to end up on the cutting room floor, and I kind of want to give you guys a much better video than what's coming. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to split this up into a two-part video, and I'm going to kind of explain my process a little bit more on the second video. This video right here is just me drawing and coloring Nelly, and then the second one will be me drawing and coloring Ludacris and just breaking down the process and why it takes so long, because it's a lot of video. So hopefully you guys will still like the video, yeah, hopefully you guys will still like the video, and you'll come back for the second part, which will be Tuesday. All right, back to the video. Alright gang, if you like this video, please give it the big thumbs up and share this all over the internet. And if you're new here, well, hello, and I hope that you like this video so much that you subscribe to it. Now everybody, hit the bell icon. That'll let you know when I post up a new video on YouTube, which should be way more frequent than it was last week. Boy, last week was bad. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. Last week was good work-wise, bad as far as YouTube-wise. You guys want to get in touch with me, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram and Twitter at DKG72. I also have a Facebook fan page and a TikTok, David Gordon 72. And if you really like what I'm doing on the channel, please feel free to head over to Patreon and support, pick up a tier, and you know, help a brother out. Also, guys, got my website, got merch on the website and original art. So if you see something that you like, you see something that I've done that you would like to purchase, head over to my website. It should be over there, and it got different options for a lot of different things, including backpacks, mugs, clothes, all kinds of things. Alright guys, it's your boy DKG72, and I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. Peace.